This is a good book all about Carl. Do you know Carl? He's such a good dog. You're a good dog, Carl. Oh, look, there's a baby. Baby loves Carl. Look after the baby, Carl. I'll be back shortly. Good dog, Carl. There's the baby. What a good dog Carl is. Oh boy. Here we go. Looks like your house, Aaron. Aw, look what fun Carl and the baby are having. Whoop. Baby's making Carl look pretty. Look how pretty they look. I'm glad we got a picture of it. Oh, that's where the laundry goes. That's where they put the dirty clothes to go down to the basement. That's where the baby went. Now Carl's going. Up. There he is. Good dog, Carl. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're looking at the fishies. You have fishies, Aaron. Uh-oh. You're not supposed to swim with the fishies. Good thing Carl was there. Oh, Carl knows how to turn on the music. Look at them dance. That's fun. And now they need a snack, so Carl's taking baby to the refrigerator. See what they're getting for a snack? Some bread. Maybe Carl knows how to make sandwiches. Oh, grapes. All kinds of yummy stuff. Is it chocolate? And milk. He's making chocolate milk and cocoa. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. What a nice snack. Baby looks a little messy from his snack. Oh, Carl knows what to do. Baby's going in the tub and having a bath. Oh, Carl even knows how to do the soap. He got bubbles. Now let's get the baby dried off and back in bed before Mommy and Daddy come home. Oh, Carl's cleaning up the mess. Good dog, Carl. I wonder, does Bo clean up the mess? Oh, I think he sees Mommy and Daddy coming. Got a little bit more mess to clean up. He's fixing the bed and putting back the makeup things they played with. And here comes Mommy and Daddy. And Carl's staying right by the baby. What a good dog, Carl. Such a good boy. Good dog, Carl. You took good care of the baby while he was sleeping. Good dog, Carl. He's baby's best friend. I love you. Bye-bye.